gonna be a bad night. Itchy. Itchy, 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 itchy. Okay, don't judge me. You won't believe what's in the shop. Yep. Bought that at O'Reilly's. O'Reilly's Auto Parts. There we go. Line it up oppositely. We're getting good at this as we work off this phone. Anyway, not bad stuff to use. And it's not expensive. Let's give it a shot. Warning, causes cancer. Everything causes cancer today. From the candy bar you shove down your throat to the damn fumes in the air when you're sitting in traffic. It doesn't matter. But one thing is, we will wear PPE as we always do in the shop, and I try to incorporate as many videos as I can because I will catch hell if I don't. Even though I got good ventilation, I look at the older videos that I've done in this on this channel, and I get comments like, man, don't be breathing that. And I also got my paint rep watching the videos, and he goes, man, wear a suit. And I'm like, yeah, I got you. So even though I got good ventilation, it's just practice. It's good visual eyesight for everybody watching. Again, this is not a bad product. I've used this on Hank's fiberglass tilt nose, and it holds good. It's just a resin, and I'll show you how we use it. First off, it comes with this much activator. What I want to do with this stuff today, though, is I'm going to actually put it on a matting, and we're going to brush it on there, and we're going to put the matting in there so it makes it really strong. So I have matting. I'm going to open this up and wear gloves, of course, because it'll make you itch. It's fiberglass. And then I'm going to show you how we mix this stuff and go from there. At this point, what I did was I traced out the inner fender well, the area where I'm going to be putting the matting, and then I took my matting, cut it out of the shapes. So now I can do the repair. The real simple thing with this to keep in mind is if you use a quarter of this, you use a quarter of that. Any more or less changes the ratio, and then only make the amount that you need to apply with. Because if you use a bigger area and you mix this, you only have 8 to 12 minutes and then you're done. So let's get started. Okay, carefully with a razor blade, slice that off. Once I get activated here, I'm going to stir it up and then go. So I used a quarter of that. I'm going to put a quarter of that in. backside. The reason why, it comes right off. It doesn't stick to the gel coat. See? And then what that does for me is I'm able to re-Dremel the holes. The stuff is setting up now. It's getting pretty hot. I'll be able to whiz wheel all that off, make it look nice. The areas we have that are bodyworked, what we're going to do is spot and epoxy those areas. We don't need to so much on just the gel coat, but like that little repair right there, we did that with gel coat, and then we did the outside with Kevlar reinforced fiberglass. It's a good repair, but we want to make sure it doesn't ever show up through, so we will put epoxy on there, but we're going to spot it in. We don't need full spray epoxy on all this, but the areas that were repaired, we're going to do that. And the rest of it, we're going to DA down with a sponge pad, okay? And we're going to use 220 on that, and then after that, we'll do the 2K.
side.
Yeah, that's fine. It's gotta, this side's gotta face the wall though, otherwise it'll fall over. These things are so delicate.
I'm just gonna go just like this.
You can if you want. I just gotta keep away from the truck because I gotta do the truck next.
Okay.
Thank you.
You want the other ones up?
Yeah, I need one up. Stays on the bench.
Yep. And then I'll put the other two against it.
Thank you very much. You will be. Thank you. Do it for us today. This was part 2, restoring the fenders. So you got to see gel coat go down. We sand back. We had one little area we didn't like, so we patched that and gel coated that, sanded that back, and then we D8'd everything down, prepped it with 220. Then we epoxied the areas that we did bodywork, sealed that so nothing comes through. Then we 2K'd it all. So Eleanor's fenders, for the most part right now, are done, and then we're going to continue on working on the shell. Of course, we will be blocking these again several times and then layering up on them, but right now the initial is done. There's no more cracks in the fiberglass. They're repaired, and they have a good shape to them, so it's not going to take a gazillion hours to finish these. So until then, everyone, thank you for watching, checking in, subscribing, all that good stuff. We appreciate it here. Thanks. We'll see you soon. Bye. Take a piece. Orange tape. The green tape is good. I don't stock much of the green tape, but the orange tape grabs really well. Yellow tape doesn't grab as good as the orange tape. Green tape is about the best in all the body. What you do is you take this, as long as you're not sweating. And what it does, pulls the fiberglass out of you.